So I'm getting rid of the IG fuel rails, the little hoses on the side, the entire fuel kit. Getting rid of all of that, besides the fuel rails, because I mean those are fine. But I'm switching to my torque solution hoses. I'm gonna make my own lines, and I'm also adding PCV breathers for the AN conversion. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like this is all ugly. IG did great, don't get me wrong, but it's for beginners. But it's too cluttered, everything's too hard to work on now, everything's pushing on each other, which is not good. So I'm gonna swap those out. So we are fighting the breather. That's the first one, that's the biggest one, that's the actual crankcase breather. Turn it into a 12 AN fitting. It's a press-in fitting. So you take it out, make sure to vacuum all the metal, and then you put the cap on here, this cap, you screw it on, and then you hit it in, and so put some sleeve retainer in there so it'll never come out. Make sure to clean it. And I took apart the whole PCV system right here. Look, valve covers. This is the actual like main PCV one. This is the blow by that you know, goes into your AOS over there. But yeah, I'm taking this apart and simplifying it even more, so I'll show that after. Now this is the middle crankcase right here that splits into two to the rear valve cover port right there, and that one sucks. Look at that. All right, so don't mind the messiness, but yeah, this is it. It turned the press fitting turned into a I think it's an 8AN if I remember what I bought. And then you just buy straight on push-ons right here, straight push-ons. These are like, you know, that's it. Simple, you know, use a hose clamp, C-clamp, whatever. Yeah. Tee it off, make sure it's equal on both sides. So from this all the way to right, the second one, not the first one, second one. Nice. All right, so I got the 4 remaining holes out. God, this is honestly like the worst thing ever, if I'm being completely honest. Like, Jesus Christ, all of these are so hard to take out. Advice: use a vice grip, big, small, skinny, whatever. Just get it really tight on there and use a hammer and heat, I guess. But all right, day 3. So this is the feed line, so it goes all the way from the right side, right side, whoop, all the way over here, right here to the back, splits to right here. If you have the version 3 TGVs, you can get it under the harness and the TGV itself, and it doesn't kink right there. Slide it between the coolant crossover neck right here to this one, straight fitting, 90-degree fitting right there, all the way under the turbo right here, this one all the way over right next to the feed one. That's the return, by the way. And it goes right to the side. This one got a little twisty with it, but no kink right here, and then this one, the actual feed right here under the TGV, over here, right there. Got to zip tie it all, and I'll show you the crankcase PCV. So this one under here, again, right here next to the feed line, and then right here under the TGV, and then move the battery to tighten those, the actual AN fittings right there. And now we're gonna get to tucking the wires. Yeah, I really want to get rid of this coolant crossover pipe right here from that side all the way to here. You can actually delete it, or I guess get creative with the hose. I don't know, but I'm not gonna do it right now because that seems like a bigger project, and then I don't really want to do that right now. All right, so a little bit of a mistake. I forgot about the TGV plug, so the straight doesn't, you know, go. So back to the 90, over, under, to the straight. I think, yeah, that's a straight right here. Oh well,